In front of me is OPPO Reno 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Apps section. Then click on App Cloner, select Agree and Continue, and tap on any app that you wish to clone. Then select the switcher next to Create App Clone to activate it. And adjust those two options. You can rename your cloned app. I will go with Facebook too. And hit Save to save its name. And also tap on when using quick functions and tap on one of the available options. In my case, Open Original App. So finally, when I go back, as you can see, Facebook was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and use No Blue switcher. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!